students, welcome to my channel. Today change the order of integration. Integral 0 to 1, integral x to 2 minus x by y dy dx. Y limit is x, y limit is 2 minus x. Given y limit x, y limit 2 minus x. So given limit y is equal to x, y is equal to 2 minus x. X limit is 0, x limit is 1. X limit is 0, x limit is 1. We have draw the diagram. The two lines of intersect at this point. Two lines. First line equation y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. Next y is equal to 2 minus x. This is x plus y is equal to 2. Both lines are intersect at point 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. X is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. This is the origin. 0 comma 0 is the origin. 1 comma 1. This point is 1 comma 1. Point of intersection. Next equation, y is equal to 2 minus x. Y is equal to 2 minus x. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So this is the point of intersection. If the two lines intersect each other, this is the point of intersection. We have to change the limit. Y limit as x, x limit as y. There are two regions. Vertical strip is converted into horizontal strip. This horizontal strip. First, we have to find R1. R1. The limit changes x dy as dx, dx as dy. Double integral x by y, dx dy. Y limit dy as dx, dx dy. Dx as dy. Now x limit is in the first region, x limit is 0 to y. Here x 1, here x equal to y. 0 to, here x is equal to y. So we can write y here. Next, y limit is 0 to 1. This is y limit 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Second region, similarly, x by y dx dy. This line we can write the limit x is equal to 2 minus y. Here 2 minus y. This limit is, upper limit is 2 minus y. Lower limit is 0. Y limit is 1 to 2. Y limit is 1 to 2. Using these two regions, we find the total area. Now we are going to find R1. R1 is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to y, x by y dx dy, dx into dy. First we have to find this integration, innermost integration. This is with respect to x. 1 by y is constant. 1 by y is constant. 0 to 1 0 to y, taking 1 by y as constant, x dx integration, x into dx. Now we integrate x dx. Here 1 by y, x dx integration is x square by 2. The limit given is 0 to y. Integrate 0 to 1 dy. Now we substitute upper and lower limit. X is y. Now we change x as y. 1 by y, upper limit, x is equal to y, y square by 2, upper limit, minus lower limit, x is 0, so 0, dy. 0 to 1, y cancel, y by 2, remaining y by 2, dy. Y by 2 dy is equal to, taking 1 by 2 outside, y dy, 0 to 1. This is y power 1. Integrating with respect to y, y square by 2. The limit is 0 to 1. Upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. R1 result, R1 is 1 by 4. R2, integral 1 to 2, integral limit. Next, second integral 0 to 2 minus y, x by y dx dy. First we integrate with respect to x. Integrate with respect to x, 1 by y constant. 1 by y constant, x dx integration, x into dx dy. This is the integration. 1 to 2, 1 by y, x dx integration, x power n integration, 1 by y by x square by 2, x square by 2, limit 0 to 2 minus y, limit 0 to 2 minus y into dy. Taking 1 by 2 outside, 1, 2, substitute x as 2 minus y, 2 minus y whole square by y into dy. 2 minus y whole square by y into dy equal to 1 by 2 a minus b whole square expansion. This is a minus b whole square expansion. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4y divided by y into dy equal to 1 by 2, 1 to 2, 4 by y split into 3 equation, 4 by y plus y square by y minus 4y by y into dy. 4 by y plus y square by y minus 4 by y dy. 1 by 2, 1 to 2, y cancel, 4 by y plus y cancel, y minus 4 into dy is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by y integration is 1 by x integration log x. 1 by x dx equal to log x. 1 by x dx equal to log x. 1 by x dx equal to log x. 1 by y dy is equal to log y. 4 log y. 4 into log y. 4 into log y plus y dy integration y square by 2. Y square by 2 minus 4y. Minus 4y. Limit 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1 by 2. First upper limit. 4 log y equal to 2. Log 2 plus y is equal to 2. 4 by 2. 2 square 4 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus lower limit 1. Log 1. 4 log 1. 4 log 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 square 1, 1 by 2 minus 4. 4 into 1, 4. upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 2 log 2 to the power 4 plus 4 by 2 2 minus 8 minus log 1 0, log 1 0, so this whole term is 0 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 equal to 1 by 2, 2 to the power 4, 2 power 4, 16, log 16, 2 minus 8 minus 6, minus of, minus into minus plus 4, plus 4, 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 common. By simplifying 1 by 2 log 16 minus 6 minus of plus 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, the total value minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2 log 16 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. This is R2. R2. R1 is equal to 1 by 4. R1 is equal to 1 by 4. R2 is equal to 1 by 2 into log 16 minus 5 by 2. R is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. 1 by 4 plus log 16 by 2. Log 16 by 2 minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. 5 by 2 into 2. 5 by 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4 by 4 plus log 16 by 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus log 16 by 2. Here we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4. 2 log 2 log 2 log power 4 minus 1 is the answer. Thank you.